Here I have OUKITEL WP23, and today I'm going to show you how to perform master reset operation on this device. Firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key. Then you should hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. So now we can release power key, and I believe we can release all keys and just wait until we enter factory mode. Here at this mode you should use volume down to navigate and power key to select. Volume up is just inactive, and you should select an option clear storage. And after that, device will be restarted in about a minute or something. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.